Number 4, we are looking to draw and determine the line of reflection. Well, this one, it looks like it is being reflected over the x-axis. So the LOR, line of reflection, can be x-axis because notice it's 1 unit away for R. So R prime is also 1 unit away. W is 2 units away. So W is also 2 units away. So line of reflection is the x-axis. For B, right, the line of symmetry is down right here because they're going to be equal distance away. Right, K is 2 units away. K prime is also 2 units away. R is 1 unit away. R prime is 1 unit away. So this is -1, -2, -3. So this is X is equal to -3 for the line of reflection right here. C, it is through the y-axis. Line of reflection, it is the y-axis because notice U is 2 units away, so U prime is also 2 units away. P is 1 unit away, so B prime is also 1 unit away from that line of reflection. D, really hard to tell because it looks like it's diagonal, but it is right here. Right? Okay. The distances are diagonal, so it's really hard to see. Like U is that distance away, so U prime is also that distance away diagonally. Okay. This is the line of reflection of y equals 2x. Notice you could also write out the points in C. Notice U is the point 1, 2, 3, -3, comma, -1, but U prime is what is it? -1, comma, -3. Notice that the x and the y swaps. If like that it swaps, it is this line of reflection of y equals 2x.